Keep on watching to see how I got these amazing results using mane and tail products. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use these mane and tail products to achieve some amazing curls. Keep on watching. So I'm starting off with using the Curl Stay Curl Refresher Spray. This is a revitalizing hair milk. After I used that, I went in with the Daily Moisture Lotion for soft, shiny hair. And this product also tames frizz. Let me start by saying these products smell amazing. So I'm going in with my brush to make sure that my hair is detangled and make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my strands. So for styling, we are doing a 2-strand twist and curl, and I am working in small to medium sections. So I'm just going and splitting this section in half, and then I'm going to split that half into smaller sections. So for styling, I'm using the Curl Defining Cream. This cream elongates and it gives your hair a soft, natural hold. Again, these products smell absolutely amazing and they just soak into my curls and make them pop. So the main ingredients in these products are biotin, vitamin E, and B5, which all promote hair growth. The Curl Defining Cream also comes with coconut oil. The Curl Refresher Spray and the Daily Moisture Lotion also include avocado, and the Daily Moisture Lotion also has shea butter in it. These products smell amazing and they work amazing for my type 4 hair. So again, for styling, we're doing a twist and curl. So I'm twisting about 80% of the way down, and then I'm adding my perm rod at the end, and I'll just repeat these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So after I'm done twisting and rolling, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour and we'll be back for the takedown. So my hair is now dry, so we're going to start with taking out the perm rods and then we'll unravel the twist. So I can already tell that my results are going to be bomb. So let's get into this unravel and fluff. Can we take a minute to get into this definition? Yes, curl power. And here are the final results. I absolutely love how this twist and curl turned out. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this twist and curl and if you've tried this product. If you haven't, let me know which product you are interested in trying. So again, we started off with the Curl Days Curl Refresher Spray, followed that up with the Daily Moisture Lotion, and then we added the star of the show, the Curl Defining Cream. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.